Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about few NFT collections on the ZkSync era network that can make you rich in 2024 bull run. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So most of the NFTs can be purchased on the Element marketplace or OKX marketplace. In case if you want to go ahead and purchase any of the NFTs, you can use my sign up referral link for Element, where you will be getting few rewards and even I will be getting some rewards. So the first on the list is Libertas Omnibus. So if you know, they have a different role for Libertas Omnibus holders on the Discord channel. Now, if you check, the price has fallen from 0.09 to 0.04 or 0.03. The reason being, there has been rumors that the snapshot for ZkSync era airdrop has already been taken, and that's the reason why people are selling their Libertas Omnibus NFTs. But there is no official announcement from the team yet with regards to the snapshot, and that's the reason why the price keeps dropping. Now, to be honest, we are not sure whether you want to hold this Libertas Omnibus collection or not. But for me, I am holding this anyways, so that's not a big issue for me. So you decide if you want to go ahead and sell it, you can go ahead and sell it. Now the next on the list is HUE NFT. So this is a very unique NFT which consists of 6,400 on-chain NFT. And if we go down over here, so HUE is an art experiment enabled by Web3 technology. And basically it's a deflationary NFT with a collection of 6,400 on-chain and more than 409k pixels in total. Now you can also split this NFTs over here. If you go ahead, and I will show you my NFT over here. So you can buy this NFT using my referral link, where I will be getting few benefits, and it really supports my channel. So if I go in my dashboard over here, and we'll wait for it to load. Now as you can see, if we click over here, you can basically split your NFTs. So there is 16-bit U, 4-bit U and 1-bit U, and it keeps giving you reward as and when the market will hit all-time high. So this one is a good NFT on the ZkSync era network. The next on the list is ZkPengs. So it has like 3,333 unique NFTs where if you want to go ahead and buy, you can go ahead and buy it on Element marketplace using the referral link. So over here you can check the collection and sort it out by the rarity. So I think there will be huge rewards if you hold ZkPengs NFT in the future. Now the next on the list is ZK Veggies. So this has only 2000 in collection, and the team is very active, and as you can see, it's following the roadmap over here with ZK Seeds, ZK Veggies, ZK Pest Veggies, and then there was a staking for Beanie, which is a meme coin, and soon there would be a Beanie launchpad that would be coming soon. Now the next on the list is ZK Skulls. ZK Skulls, you can buy it on their website or maybe once again on the Element marketplace. So the floor price for this, I think so, is around 0.019. So it keeps increasing day by day, which is a good thing, because I think ZkSync era is going to do pretty good as a layer 2 on Ethereum. Now the next on the list is Crypto Maze. So there is this Moody Mites by Crypto Maze, and this is a expensive NFT. So if we talk about the floor price, is close to 0.3 ETH, and it has like 2,555 items in total, out of which 88 are for sale right now. And the next one is Duties NFTs. So if we go ahead and check the Duties NFT floor price, it's like 0.012. So these are like 3,333 items, and these are also doing pretty good. And the last one is ZkCat. So ZkCat, you can earn it through different quests. So this is their official website. So these are some of the best NFTs that can make you rich in ZkSync era in 2024. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.